Hey, I'm Jonathan from Out on a Limb Tree Service with the new combination pole handsaw right here. It's a great handsaw. Fits in your scabbard safe out of the way. Not only is it a handsaw, it has a push button release here. You release this button, spins 180, slides forward, and it's a great pole saw head, so it slides right in here. Here's your pole saw. The handle is rotated on the back of the blade, so it's out of the way. You can reach up. Great pole saw head, but the real advantage with the handle on the back, if you have to put a rope in a tree or grab a rope in a tree, it hooks right on there. The rope safely away from the blade. You're all done. If you need to climb or do more groundwork, pull the pole saw head out. Just hook your pole saw in your saddle. No sharp edges on it. And then the handsaw rotates around, snaps into place, right back in the scabbard.